good evening, Mr. X's class. We're here to talk about the word instruct, which is the level 4 word for today. Instruct is a verb, and so it has 3 meanings. The second meaning, I think, is the one we probably think of first, but there are 2 other meanings. So, meaning number 1, instruct can mean to tell somebody to do something, like an order, officially, especially in a formal or official way. So, like order that, to do something. So, here's an example for that. They instructed me to arrive at 9 for the job interview. I didn't put who they would be, but like the people in the company, the human resources department, instructed me to arrive at 9. So that's officially, formally saying, thanks a lot, formally saying you should arrive at 9, officially. And that's meaning number 1. Okay, second meaning is to teach somebody, to instruct to teach somebody, especially a practical skill. So the teacher instructed students in use of quotation marks. So thanks a lot, we could say, so one way you can use this is with in, with the preposition in, and then a noun. Instructed us in a noun or in how to. So we could also say in how to use quotation marks. That's also correct. Either one of those. All right. And yeah, usually use the word in with instruct if you're talking about teaching. Finally, to give somebody information. Like Sandra instructs new students. She gives them information. Sandra's the one who does the evaluations now when new students come in. She gives them the test and everything. She instructs them, at least that's in the AM, right? Instructs new students about EP's program. In the PM, it would be Linda. So, okay, and so over here we have a sentence with meaning number 2 about teaching. So, related to English class. A good English teacher can instruct students effectively in reading and writing. So, teach students how to read and write. And we notice the word in. We use that for instruct, for teaching. And then in Spanish, instruir and enseñar, that's like to teach, right? Ordenar would be meaning number 1. Tell somebody what to do. And then, okay, instruction is a noun. And also I should notice, I don't know if you have this on your card, it's often plural. Instructions. If you're talking about like a document that tells you what to do, like how to put together something, how to use something, a manual, procedural nonfiction text, we often call that the instructions, that document, plural. Instruction can also be singular. It's the noun for instruct. What, when you do this, what is it that you do? It's the instruction is the thing that you do, that you teach, or that the information that you give. Okay, instructive is an adjective, and it means educational, like it teaches you something. So you could say, this experience was very instructive. It taught me a lot. The book is very instructive. It teaches me a lot. All right, this one, people probably know this word, right? What is an instructor? Person who instructs. And this is a common suffix, end of word, that goes on the end of words, or. Or means a person who does something. So, let's see, other than instructor, I can't think of any others right now. Director. A director is a person who directs. That's spelled with O-R also. Also, sometimes it can be ER. Both mean a person who does something. ER and OR both mean that. So instructor, person who instructs, like a teacher. It's a synonym for a teacher. Synonyms for this word, teach, inform, or educate. So are there any questions about instruct? Okay, thank you very much for filming today.